The sky was heavy, like it knew my name. Every drop falling like a whispered blame. I walked through shadows that knew my shoes, counting heartbeats I didn't choose. But even storms get tired of the fight. Even darkness learns to turn to light. When the rain stops crying, I'll find my way back home, through broken clouds and streets of stone. When the sky stops shaking, I'll hear my soul again, and all that hurt will start to mend. Oh, I'll wait for the sun to try again. When the rain stops crying, every window held a blurred out dream. Every silence louder than it seemed. I lost my shadow in the pouring gray, but I still believe it'll fade away. 'Cause even storms don't last forever. Even hearts can learn to weather. When the rain stops crying, I'll find my way back home, through broken clouds and streets of stone. When the sky stops shaking, I'll hear my soul again, and all that hurt will start to mend. Oh, I'll wait for the sun to try again. When the rain stops crying, let it fall, let it fall. If it has to break me down, I'll rise with the echo of a quieter sound. No storm can stay when it's said its last goodbye. Even rain learns how to dry. When the rain stops crying, I'll find my way back home. No more wandering alone. When the sky stops shaking, I'll finally understand that healing starts where falls the sand. Oh, I'll wait, I'll stay, I won't deny it then. When the rain stops crying, I begin again. When the rain stops crying,